You know those times you hear people say, oh, I got a bad stomach flu. It likely isn't a stomach flu. More likely, it's a foodborne illness coming from, oh my gosh! You guessed it, usually meat and dairy. But here's the thing, guys, when we're plant-based, we also have to take some precautions. So, number one, wash your produce.
And you are looking at my dish drainer. Yes, because when I bring home a load of produce, I'm going to give things a wash. Now, most of us will wash grapes, of course, but do you ever wash avocados, oranges, bananas? How about pineapples or melons? Well, think about cutting into that pineapple without washing it. Any bacteria, dirt is going straight into the flesh and then into your gut. We don't want that. So fill up a sink with a little warm water, drop of natural soap, rub-a-dub-dub all the veg in the tub.